Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing my Allure Beauty Box for January. I'm trying to think of all the specifications. I think it's $15 a month, every month. Other than I'm gonna have to put it in the description box below because this was not something that I'm usually signed up for. But I saw that the month of December, Nikki Tutorials, love you girl, she curated the box. And there was the Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlight in there, and I wanted it so bad. And I also saw that we got the mini Juvia's Place in there, and I've never tried anything from Juvia's Place, but I've been wanting to. And then I didn't have money when they were on sale, and I was sad. Also, sorry if I sound awful because my boyfriend got me sick. But I thought I'd do this unboxing because otherwise I'm not going to have time to edit it before the month of January. That's going to be sad. Anyways, getting into the video. Oh, sorry. My cough made me lose focus. So I didn't open it yet because, well, I cut this, but then I realized that there wasn't a box this month. Which I thought the box was kind of cute, honestly. It's like the Birchbox boxes, and they're all cute. It's a bag, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this bag because I hate bags like this, but let's jump right in. Alright, so it comes with this little paper here, and it tells you everything we got, so we can add up the box later. Oh god, it's obnoxiously... My bag is ripped. Do you guys see this? Oh my god, and the nail polish is open. It's legit. Look, it like opens. Right? Yeah, it opens like this. You see how there's a hole? There's a hole out the side. I'm a little bit triggered. Okay. Throw that behind me. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Deuce. Oh god, I'm sorry, you can't even read that. I apologize. Deuce Matte Lip Crayon and Winterberry. It looks like a really pretty color, but lip crayons usually smear. This says a waterproof, transfer proof, and high color payoff. Might have to look into that. I'm so sorry that I'm dying. Okay, this is something that I saw a spoiler for. It's the Mally Evercolor eyeshadow stick or something. Yeah. What shade is it in? Oh my gosh, no way, and it's pushed all the way to the top. This... I'm so not impressed with this box already, and I just opened it. Alright, I'm kind of excited for this. This is the I think that's how you say that. Scalp and Body Scrub. This looks half empty. Like, do you... It's only filled to here. Is this supposed to be like that? Oh, I forgot I can't smell, but I think it smells good. Alright, well, put that aside. We got a lot of items this month, though, I will say. A Sunday Riley. That's a really expensive skincare brand, I think. I'm not a skincare person, like I've said before. A+ high dose retinoid serum. It's a really tiny bottle, but it's not a full size, that's fine. Another Sunday Riley. A vitamin C and turmeric face oil. Okay, this doesn't look necessarily like a trial size. It's kind of exciting. A Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Dude, after having subscription boxes, I have way too many masks. Like, I have a whole drawer in here just skincare masks, and I'm like, I should start doing one every day, and I still probably need it up. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Do you see? This isn't even color I would use, but oh my gosh. Oh, sorry for my awful fingernail polish too. And look at the back. I can't even give it away or sell it if I wanted to. It's so freaking broken. I kind of want to do a complaint. That's how bad this is. But also, well, let me tell you the story. Let's backtrack a little bit. So, I had got this box, like I said, just for December. And then you can't just unsubscribe or cancel subscription. You have to go in and personally email them. And they'll, like, see if they want to take your request. So they took my request and they were like, oh, Melody, but your January box already shipped. And I was like, really? You're just doing that to play me. And I was like, okay, well, I don't want it. And they were like, well, what if we give you an offer you can't refuse? 4 boxes for only $10. Since like a $15 or $16 subscription, and I don't think it's worth $15. I was like, girl, me right here. They were right. I couldn't pass up the offer, so here I am, stuck with the subscription. But let's add up everything in the box, and I'm filming on my phone, so don't have a calculator. The shadow stick is supposedly $25. Dropped it. This is supposedly $38. Come on now. This has got to be less because I'm guessing the full size is $38. There's no way this... I have man hands, but it's tiny. Come on now. What? The Sunday Riley says, this glow oil says it's $80. I love getting stuff like this in a box, but also, like, I would never buy that by myself, so maybe it's a bad thing to get in a box. This one, $85. Also, I guess you can't use this if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Fun fact. Alright. I just keep dropping stuff. Okay. This Deuce pencil is $22. I could believe that. This hair mask is $28. I could believe it. Excuse me. Oh, okay. It said that we get a mini beauty blender. But then I read down here, it says you get this or this. And I got the mask, so I didn't get the mini beauty blender. But I love those things. So, honestly, I don't even know how to calculate all this because, like I said, I don't think all these are the full sizes. I really doubt it. If I find out the prices and everything, maybe I'll leave it in the description box below because there's no way. And really? Like, oh my... This is just triggering. Triggered. Alright, well... If you would like to see me unbox more things, like and subscribe. And if you would like me to next time do like a try-on portion, which this time we didn't get a lot of makeup, but a try-on portion to these videos, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll start doing that. It will be a longer video though, so it's up to what you guys want to watch. Sorry, I look ratchet again. Sorry. That's gross. Alright, like and subscribe. Bye.